Hi, my name is Christina, and welcome to Chrissy's Corner. In today's video, we're going to be planting some Brussels sprouts and broccoli. Here are some fun facts about Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are part of the cabbage family. It was named after Brussels, which is the capital of Belgium, where they were popular in the 16th century. Now we have our broccolis. Okay. Broccolis are also part of the cabbage family. Yep. It is also high in vitamins, vitamin K and C, and iron. Broccolis are very good for cancer patients. Okay, now let's get to planting. Here we are at the patch. We're going to be planting our Brussels sprouts first. There are 7 different stalks, so I have to make 7 different holes. Now it's time to put the broccoli in. Alrighty guys, it's time to put my 2 tags in so people know what they are, and then we're going to water them. Alright. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys, and make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.